Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. John here. Thanks for watching. If you would, make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. So today we've got some unloading of the truck to do. We're going to pull out my new bandsaw that I picked up for a steal of a deal, and drill press, and then this little table. We're going to use Mad Max. I had like 2 or 3 people help me load it. Hopefully I don't kill myself unloading it today, but hopefully Mad Max will give us a hand. Thanks for watching. Slow and smooth, smooth as fast. As you can see, I've probably got like inches up here. So the lesson I've learned here is to actually stop, let the load all the way down on even ground, and then back it out. Put that in float position. Alright. I'm going to have to get up there and I'm going to have to strap some stuff down. So hopefully the sound works. We'll stop, we'll do a quick sound test, replay, and see how it goes. But the whole idea is to work smarter, not harder. That's the message of today. Put our parking brake on, set it. All right, make sure our lockout's engaged. So we are going to lift slowly and gently. Alright. We got it up. And we're just going to back it out. Break the table. So the next thing we're going to do is lift out that bandsaw. That's going to be a bit tricky. What we may have to do is put the forks close together. strap this. You guys can hear me, so hope you're enjoying this video. All I'm doing right now, I know I've got my back to the camera, I'm undoing some straps up here on the truck. You guys get to hear up close and personal the joys of taking this down. Now I have these two red bungee cords on here because I didn't want the case to open going down the road. Put that down. The real heavy one is going to be the drill press, and that is a backbreaker. So what we're going to do without breaking our microphone piece, try to set that on the pallets, or slide that down that way as far as we can. Not quite enough. Alright, so we're going to have to manhandle this a little bit. Man, that joker's heavy. Tell you what, guys, works are definitely worth the investment. Definitely. So what we're going to do, we're going to bungee cord this joker onto the forks so it doesn't slide around any. So you guys probably can't see this on camera, but to produce enough friction for it not to fall off. And hopefully this top won't fall off either while we're lowering it down. We're going to put this other side. We're just going to go through a hole in it, up and through another hole in it. Now hopefully that will just give it enough to, it's not going to go anywhere. Alright. Then we're going to go slow. Alright. Nice and easy. We don't want it bouncing around a lot. Once we get the forks clear, we're going to come down with it. I don't want to let the exhaust out of it. Alright, we are currently 2 of 3 pieces down. 2 of 3 pieces down. Hopefully you guys can hear this alright. 2 or 3 pieces down. Hopefully you guys can hear this. Now, last one's the heaviest by far. I grunted on camera. My bad. That joker's a little bit heavy. Alright. This microphone, tell me whether or not it works. If you like it better or if you like the raw audio of the tractor. Because there's still a lot of tractor in the background. But hopefully it's manageable. And not too loud. The one thing I think we are going to do we're going to slide those closer together. Either that, or we might take a pallet. I'm going to grab this pallet. We're going to put this pallet down across these. That way we've got a surface we can slide the base out onto. There we go, we got that nice and settled. What we're going to do is we're just going to leave our pallet a couple inches down below the truck. Oh, it's a little bit windy now, so we're testing out the wind. Now, it is actually really windy, so goes to our bandsaw. We'll need that little piece. Now, this joker's not light, I'll tell you that right now. This is a heavy drill press. It's not the biggest one out there. But if it was any bigger, I don't know if I could manhandle it. Because it's really made so you can bolt it to the ground. You know, what we're gonna have to do, try to get a good angle where I can muscle it around. So, sorry if I'm off camera here. I'm gonna move that before it gets broken. Piece of the bandsaw, we'll set that over there. I'm telling you guys, this thing is weight and heavy. Ooh, it's heavy. And hopefully we can get back up. Alright. We don't want to break anything. Alright, so what we're going to try to do now, move this base out a little bit. We're a little bit dusty. Glad my toe wasn't underneath that. Okay. We're going to try this very carefully because we don't want to kill ourselves. Alright, so I don't know, a little bit of a pucker factor there. Well guys, we managed to get it down without killing anybody. Especially me, and that's a good thing. So we're gonna leave that strapped up for a minute because we're gonna need a blue dot or dolly to take this joker loose. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you smash that like button, smash that subscribe button, and keep coming back for more. I enjoy making these videos just as much as hopefully you guys enjoy watching them. If you would, leave a comment below, tell me what you like. If you like this video, share it with your friends. And thanks for being a part of this channel. Once again, the purpose of this channel is to motivate you to go out there and start building your dream.